A new software update is rolling out for the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE mobile. This is a monthly security patch update. After installing this update, the mobile phone is updated to the July security patch. The size of this update is around 299.86 MB. This mobile is currently running on One UI 7.0 with Android version 15. I already started downloading the update. This update was released for this mobile almost July month ending. The main objective of posting these software update videos, especially for this mobile phone, is to check whether the update is good or not, followed by any problems I noticed after using the mobile phone for 24 hours. This S24 FE is supported for 7 years of major Android and security patch updates. I try to post these videos for some years. Let's see Samsung hold their promise or not. I successfully updated the mobile phone and used it for about 24 hours. There are no issues I noticed and no data wipe happened during the installation. No glitches, errors or even green line issues too. The mobile got a little hot during the update process, but after 15 minutes it cooled down and there were no battery drain issues either. I'm getting the same battery backup as before, even the idle drain is the same. For me it's 4%. That's the new software update details for the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE. Don't forget to smash the like button of this video, then only YouTube pushes this video to other people like you. Thank you so much in advance for doing this.